Hey there, future AI champions. What if I told you there's an AI tool that could cut your content research time in half while doubling your organic traffic? That's not just hype, it's what MarketMuse is delivering for content creators who know how to use it. I've spent weeks testing this tool so you don't have to. Welcome back to AI Thunder, where we break down powerful AI tools without the tech jargon. Today, I'm walking you through MarketMuse, an AI content research powerhouse that's changing how professionals approach content creation. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this tool can transform your content strategy, even if you've never used AI for content before. So, what exactly is MarketMuse? Think of it as your personal content strategist powered by it. It analyzes thousands of web pages in seconds to tell you exactly what topics to cover, what questions to answer, and how to structure your content to outrank competitors. Unlike basic keyword tools, MarketMuse uses patented topic modeling technology to understand semantic relationships between topics, meaning it thinks more like Google does. The tool is primarily designed for content marketers, SEO specialists, digital agencies, and publishers, basically anyone whose success depends on creating high-quality, strategic content that actually ranks. What sets it apart is how it combines content, audit, keyword research, competitor analysis, and AI-generated briefs all in one platform. Now, let me share 3 surprising ways different professionals are leveraging MarketMuse that you might not have considered. For e-commerce managers, one client of mine used MarketMuse to analyze product descriptions across their 200-plus product catalog. They discovered their top competitors were covering specific technical specifications they weren't mentioning at all. After updating just 20 key product pages with MarketMuse's recommendations, their organic traffic jumped 34% in 6 weeks. No backlink building, just better content. For HR professionals, a fascinating case I encountered was an HR director who used MarketMuse to optimize their career page content. They analyzed what top-rated employers in their industry were covering that they weren't. The result? Applications from qualified candidates increased by 27% after implementing the content gap recommendations. For solo consultants, I've seen independent consultants use MarketMuse's content briefs to direct freelance writers. Instead of spending hours explaining their industry to writers, they simply share the AI-generated brief, which already contains all relevant topics, competitors, and questions to answer. This turned 3-hour briefing sessions into 15-minute handoffs. Here's something most reviews won't tell you. MarketMuse transforms how you think about content creation. Last month, I was helping a local business that was creating content based purely on gut feeling. We ran their site through MarketMuse and discovered they were completely missing high-value topics their audience was searching for. Topics their competitors were ranking for. Quick question for you. Which of these 3 approaches would be most valuable in your work? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Now, I should mention that MarketMuse isn't the cheapest tool. Plans start at $99 per month for the basic package, and there's a free version with limited features if you want to test the waters. Is it worth it? For content-driven businesses, absolutely. For casual bloggers, you might want to start with the free plan. Before I wrap up, here's my honest take. MarketMuse isn't just another AI tool. It's a strategic advantage for anyone serious about content. The learning curve is worth it, and the insights you'll gain will change how you approach digital content forever. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Thunder for more no-nonsense AI tool reviews. Have you used MarketMuse or similar tools? Share your experience in the comments. Be part of our crew, learning AI the easy way. We're rebuilding a community of professionals who are staying ahead of the curve without getting lost in technicalities. Until next time, I'm your AI guide, helping you harness these powerful tools without the headache. See you in the next one.